Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the coming week. Let's see what the messages are in terms of love, in terms of money. Whatever messages come, we'll take. Alright. Very nice. So a cycle is ending and you are in your power. You know what you deserve. You feel on the top of the world right now. You know you're in the no nonsense zone where you know what you deserve. The Queen of Wands and the Empress is your energy. A cycle is ending and you are expecting you're attracting and expecting abundance, a happy home, lots of love in your life, which you are attracting because I think you after a long time you're coming back into your power, which is very clear. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Yes, so you're in a very you in the past you have really thought about what you want. It has because you feel that maybe you are not attracting the right people. Maybe you're not doing you're doing something wrong. That's why the kind of people are coming to you the way they are. So that has really kept you up at night. But I think you feel nice. You feel very generous. You feel very into the community. You feel very caring towards the people around you. And like I said, you're in the power again. You're in your power again. Let me clarify Queen of Wands. So yes, you are in this no nonsense energy, and with this energy being there, I think you're attracting a lot of people towards you, a lot of communication towards you. But be aware of the toxic relationships that look good just for some time and then turn out to be toxic. Beware of that. Don't get loneliness. Take you into a relationship that will not be worth it. So beware of that. And like you're cutting out toxic, I think you should keep on doing that because this is just a devil. There's some passionate energy around you. But yes, you will be getting a lot of communication because like I said, you're attracting abundance towards you. You're attracting love towards you. You're attracting the right people towards you. And when you're attracting them, you might attract some wrong people also because there's certain fear in us. With past failures, that fear attracts wrong people. So beware of that. Let me clarify the World card. So yes, the cycle wherein you look at the past, you're indecisive. You just either you have been in a stage either you cut people completely or just let people in completely. So this cycle will end. The cycle will end where you'll be balanced now. You have been either not deciding or juggling, or you're looking too much into the past and not focused on the future. Either just cutting people completely out, closing doors to anything, or letting in wrong people in. So this cycle will end for you and good things will come for you. Let us take 3 more cards. Yes, so Tower moment, like I said, things have to change very quickly. The past hurt will have to go in order for the new offers to come in. So once you let go of that energy, once you let go of that, I think new things will come quickly towards you. Let me take out some major arcana cards. Alright. Yes, changes in coming, love offer, which is a major offer, which is, just the kind of offer you've wanted coming in, but provided death coming twice is you have to let go of this negativity, this old pattern, this old habit of yours, that you keep repeating. You know better. Each of us has different pet peeves. We know what we keep on doing, and then we get same result again and again, and then we cry and then we think why can't things change for me, because we are not changing. The messages that we are sending to the universe is the same, so we attract same. So that has to end in order for things to change very quickly, because the thing, good things, love is quickly coming towards you. You want it, and it is possible. It is there. It is around the corner, waiting for you to clear all the clutter and let it in. So do that. Let us take some love messages. Alright, honor thyself. So respect yourself, which you're already in your power right now. Prepare to be astounded. Prepare to be surprised happily. Like I said, very fast changes coming. Those you love you. So if you have your mind on somebody, your heart on, given to a certain person, and you didn't get any response from them, I think you should expect it to happen very, very soon, because universe is asking you to just be prepared and do the homework. Do the homework so things can happen quickly. Let's see. Sacrifice, like I said, change yourself. Don't be indifferent, like I said you have been. And don't desire too much. When you give universe too much of this is how it should be, universe can't bring the thing that you actually deserve. It could be more than what you're demanding, right? So just let the universe decide. You do your homework on yourself. Don't be indifferent to people around you. You never know who's your partner, right? It's not written on the faces. There's no sticker. And sacrifice the bad things. Let go of those desire to be with the perfect one, with this one or that one. Just be open to the perfect partner which fulfills your needs, in terms of mental needs, the love, the spiritual needs. So the once you are in that stage, I think you will attract the right partner. That is the message I'm getting, and that will happen very soon. But there's a little homework that universe has given you. Let go of the old patterns. Let go of the old habits that you have, and I think universe will bless you very, very quickly. So that's all I have for you right now. I think you might be very clearly getting the messages that the universe wants to give you. If yes, hit a like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.